Welcome to my 3 minutes of grammar. In today's video, we are going to learn about the grammar when it comes to numbers. Yes, you heard me. We have grammar for numbers. Let's begin. The first thing you must know is that there are two forms of each number, the masculine and the feminine form. In today's video, I'm only going to cover the numbers from 1 to 10. So we have masculine, واحد, واحدة, اثنان, اثنتان. Here it gets tricky. ثلاثة, ثلاث. So from 3 to 10, you will always add a تاء مربوطة to the masculine numbers only. I know we always add a تاء مربوطة to the end of a noun to make it a feminine. But when it comes to numbers and from 3 to 10, we add it for masculine. أربعة, أربع. خمسة, خمس. ستة, ست. سبعة, سبع. ثمانية, ثمان. تسعة, تسع. عشرة, عشر. Let's repeat all the feminine numbers. واحدة, اثنتان, ثلاث, أربع, خمس, ست, سبع, ثمانية, تسع, عشر. Now to masculine. واحد, اثنان, ثلاثة, أربعة, خمسة, ستة, سبعة, ثمانية, تسعة, عشرة. Question: when should I use the masculine or the feminine form of numbers? Answer: depend on the gender of a noun you are counting. Just in case if you don't know how to identify the gender of a noun, then I recommend you to watch this video. For now, we are going to practice with the aid of an example. 9 men. Men is رجال. And 9 could be تسع or تسعة. Men is a masculine word, رجال. So we will use the تسعة form, the masculine form, and end up with تسعة رجال, or you could say رجال تسعة. Both ways are correct. Now it's your turn to do this. 9 women. Women is نساء. تسعة or تسع. Write your answers in the comment section. And that's how Arabic goes. See you in the next video. مع السلامة.